Hi everyone, in this video I will create an online images to PDF converter using Chatgpt. I will ask Chatgpt to give me HTML, CSS and JavaScript code for a page in which I can convert my images to a PDF file. Not just that, I will ask it to add a functionality to drag the images to change the order in which they are rendered. Let's dive in by giving it the prompt to generate it. My prompt is, I want to make an HTML page that takes multiple image files upload as input and combines all the images into a PDF file. The HTML page has title images to PDF converter. It has multiple file input field labeled select images and a download PDF file button that downloads the PDF file. ChatGPT has given us some HTML. Let's copy it into a file and save it. I will open it in my browser. I will upload some files, click on the download. It seems to be not working. Let's open the console and check the errors. It says JS PDF is not defined. I think there is some problem with the CDN link of the JS PDF library. Let's get the correct CDN link. Let's try again. This time it works. The file is downloaded. Let's open it. I can see the issue here. All the images are being rendered on one page. Let's ask GPT to fix it. My prompt is, all the images are rendered on the first page. Change it such that each image is rendered on a separate page. Let's update our code. Let's check it in browser. The images are being rendered on separate pages, but there is still one issue, which is an empty page is being added at the end. Let's ask ChatGPT to remove the last empty page. The prompt is, I'm getting an extra empty page at the end of the PDF file. I uploaded 3 images. The downloaded PDF file had 4 images. The last one being empty. Can you delete that page? We got the response. Let's update our code. Let's check it. The page is removed, but here 2 pages are removed. I uploaded 3 images. I got only 2 pages. After some debugging, I found that it fixed its logic to not add page in PDF after the last image, but then it deleted a page again. I will comment this one, save the file and try again. This time our PDF has 3 pages only. Our converter is working good, but a very important feature is missing, which is control over the order in which the images are rendered in PDF file. We will ask ChatGPT to show the images that will be rendered in PDF and then ask it to add, drag and change order functionality. Let's ask ChatGPT to show the uploaded images first. The prompt is, I want to show order in which the images will be rendered. Once images are uploaded, show in a grid the order in which the images will be rendered and also show the serial in each card. Only share the additional HTML and JavaScript code that is needed. We got our response. I will add the code in the response to my application. Let's check it. I can see no images being shown in our page. Let's ask ChatGPT about it. The code you shared does not render the image list. It generated some fixed code. I will add it to my application. Let's try again by uploading some images. Okay, we can see images very clearly, but they are all over the pages. We need to fix this. Let's ask ChatGPT to keep the images within the cards. Let's give it a prompt. The images are displayed beyond the cards. Can you share the corrected CSS to keep the images within the cards? Let's update the CSS. Try again in browser. This time the images are displayed neatly. With images shown to user, let's ask ChatGPT to allow user to drag the images to change the order in which the images will be rendered in the PDF file. We got our response. Let's update the code. We will check the application in browser. I am able to drag and change the order of the images. Let's check PDF. The order of images is still the old one. It is not the one we got after dragging. I will ask ChatGPT that dragging is working perfectly, but the image rendered in the PDF file are not in the order in which they are after dragging. Fix the generation of PDF file to use the updated ordering of images after dragging. We got our response. Let's update our code. Try in browser. I can see the image ordering is now correct, but we got the old problem of all the images on a single page. I know how to fix this issue. Let's test again. It worked correctly. All the images are in order and on separate pages. Let's test it again. Nice, everything works perfect. I got my own images to PDF converter. Thank you for watching.